as it relates to the public pronouncements by individuals, and in some instances popular individuals, popular personalities around not wearing masks. Our position is very clear. The public health's position is that the masks wearing in public is useful. It is an important part of the response to COVID and to restricting the spread of the virus. This is a clinical position that is not only endorsed and supported and advanced by us here in Jamaica, but by most countries throughout the world. I would say all countries. I don't know of a country in the world that is preaching or suggesting otherwise. And certainly in terms of the multilaterals, the partners in public health, the World Health Organization, the Pan American Health Organization, all have advanced as a policy, encouraged, prescribed that mask wearing in public should be a practice that is the norm, not the exception. In the developed world, in the United States, it's all there. So, we're very confident that it is the right thing to do, and we certainly would encourage Jamaicans to comply, and this is why this is part of the law as contained in the orders. And we will continue to push that message, because we think it's the right thing to do.